Now, with the drone map being the new alternative, I must say it is reliable. There's nothing I've sort of picked up. There's no bugs. I mean, I used to be a beta tester for a few apps, so I can always pick up the UI, the UX errors, and sort of provide a little syntax help to the companies. Not that I do, but the TheDroneMap app is phenomenal. If you're thinking of using the drone map and you use an iOS device, my word of advice or a tip, what I do is once I've opened the DroneMap.com, I click on the share button, and then if you scroll, you will see a option that says add to home screen. I then add that to the home screen, and on my iOS device, I have a folder for all my drone applications and web pages. So I would have the UAV forecast, I had the drone assist, I will have my drone checklist applications, I'll have the web pages for the ECAS, the AirProx report, RIDOR reports. I'll have all those in the same folder, just in case I'm on flight, an emergency, I need to access one of those quickly. I've got it all in the right place. So that's another tip from me. If you're currently using Drone Assist and you don't know, it's not being currently available in the UK, for your updates and for your future drone operations, check out the drone map. The link is down below in the description. Click it, try it out. I am not sponsored by them. I just want to share the safety of yourself and save you catastrophic problems in the long run. Once again, thank you for watching. Let me know how you get on.